Good day everyone. Today let's take some time to understand one of the key reasons why ships stay safe while traveling across the ocean. I'm talking about something called the Load Line Convention, which play a huge role in protecting not only the people on board but also environment and the goods we transport across the world. So, what's the Load Line Convention? To keep it simple, the Load Line Convention is an international rule that makes sure ships do not carry more weight than they can safely handle. You see, when a ship is loaded with too much cargo, it becomes heavier and sits lower in the water. This might not seem like a big deal at first, but in reality, a ship that is too low in danger. Big waves, bad weather, or even small leak can cause serious accident if the ship is overloaded. To prevent this, the Load Line Convention requires that every large ship has a special line mark on its hull. This line is called the load line or sometimes the crimson line, and it shows exactly how deep a ship can sit the water before becoming unsafe. What's really clever is that this line is just one simple mark. There are different marks depending on the season and the type of water. For example, a ship can carry more weight in calm, warm water, but it has to carry less in stormy, cold seas because in the rest and higher. But why does all of this really matter? First of all, it's about saving lives. The people working on the ship, whether they are sailor, engine, or officers, deserve to have a safe workplace. If a ship is too heavy, it's harder to control, hard to keep balance, and far from more dangerous during storms. Following the load line rules ensure that no one life in put danger just because someone wants to squeeze extra cargo board. Secondly, it protects the cargo itself. Ships move all kinds of important goods, from food and clothes to fuel machines. If a ship sinks or tip over because of overloading, not only is the ship lost, but all of those important supplies are lost too. That huge waste of money and resources and create big problem for those people who are waiting for those goods. Third, and maybe even more important, the Load Line Convention helps protect the environment. When a ship sinks, it does not just disappear. It can leak oil and fuel into the water. It can spill chemical or dangerous cargo into the ocean. And all that harm fish, coral reef, and coastal communities would depend on clean, healthy seas. By making sure ships are never overloaded, we reduce the chance of this environmental disaster happening. And here's something else to think about. The convention keeps shipping industry fair and organized, with a rule like in Load Line Convention. Some companies might try to break the rules to save money or make extra profit, even if it means putting people at risk. But because so many countries agree to follow the same safety standards, everyone has to play by the same rules. This creates trust between countries, keep international strategy, and help avoid chaos in global shipping. This creates trust between countries, keep international trade steady, and help avoid chaos in global shipping. In fact, ships are checked carefully to make sure they follow the load line rules. Before they leave the port, inspectors check the ship. It's carrying too much weight and that the load line is respected. If a ship breaks the rules, there can be serious consequence. They might face fine, be refused entry to port, or even lose the right to operate. So when you see a massive ship sailing across the ocean, remember remember that there are more into the just cargo and containers. The small line painted on its side, the load line, is a symbol of safety. It's proof that someone is looking out for the people on board, the goods being transported to the ocean itself, and the global system that keep products moving around the world. To wrap it all up, the Load Line Convention is not just about measuring weight, it's about responsibility. It is about making sure that no ship takes unnecessary risks. It is about ensuring that lives are not lost, resources are not wasted, and nature is not harmed, all because of something as preventable as overloading. So now we can all see why the Load Line Convention is so important, and why it will always play a key role in keeping the maritime industry safe and reliability. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope this helped you understand just how valuable the Load Line Convention is for everyone, everywhere.